Welcome back to Car Trends. Today, we have something truly special, the BMW M7. This isn't just any luxury sedan, it's an M-tuned beast that brings together executive luxury and high-performance thrills. Buckle up as we dive deep into what makes the M7 a game-changer. So, what exactly is the BMW M7? This is BMW's flagship luxury sedan but with the heart of an M Series monster. It packs a 4.4L twin-turbo V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 635 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, which is insane for a full-size luxury sedan. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, you get both power and control. Sounds thrilling, right? Let's check out the design. The 2025 M7 has a dominating presence. Up front, we get BMW's iconic kidney grille, now with illuminated M badging. The adaptive laser headlights give it a futuristic look, and those massive air intakes mean serious business. From the side, the sculpted body lines scream aerodynamics, and the 21-inch forged alloy wheels give it a true performance stance. And at the back, the quad exhaust tips and aggressive rear diffuser let everyone know, this is no ordinary 7 Series. Step inside, and the M7 wraps you in luxury and technology. The merino leather sport seats are not only ultra-premium but also have M-specific bolstering to keep you locked in during spirited drives. The carbon fiber and Alcantara trim remind you that this is an M-performance machine. And check this out. The massive 14.9-inch curved infotainment screen, paired with BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, gives you seamless connectivity, a crystal-clear HUD, and even gesture controls. But luxury doesn't stop at the front seats, let's talk comfort. The rear cabin of the M7 is pure first-class luxury. The executive lounge seating lets you recline with heated, ventilated, and massaging functions. There's even a 5.5-inch touchscreen in the armrest to control climate, lighting, and entertainment. But let's talk about where the M7 really shines, performance. That 4.4L twin-turbo V8, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivers a perfect mix of brute power and smooth delivery. The M-tuned suspension and rear-wheel steering make this full-size sedan handle like a sports car. And the sound? Play exhaust revs, that's pure M performance symphony. So, is the BMW M7 the ultimate luxury sports sedan? Absolutely. It delivers mind-blowing power, cutting-edge tech, and 5-star comfort, all in one package. If you want a car that lets you dominate the road in pure luxury while giving you the thrill of an M car, the M7 is a no-brainer. But what do you think? Is this your dream luxury performance sedan? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-performance car reviews. See you in the next one. Stay fast, stay stylish.